Hi, everybody. As I mentioned on the previous page, I am a mountain bike fanatic. I mean, there's my bike, 2019 Santa Cruz 5010, just waiting for me to finish uploading this video so we can go hit the trail. I ride all over the bay, Tamarancho in Fairfax, China Camp in San Rafael, Mount Tam, Annadale in Santa Rosa, Rockville in Fairfield, Fernandez Ranch on the way to Martinez, Water Dog in San Mateo. But today, I think we're going to go to Joaquin Miller in Oakland. If you've never been there, I really recommend it. It's off the 13 up by the Chabot Space Center. I mean, a lot of you have probably taken a field trip in grade school up to that spot. It's really beautiful. It has some nice, cool redwoods and amazing views of the bay. I can't say enough about that place. Really, I guess you could say that mountain biking is my happy place, no matter where I'm riding. I mean, sure, I've crashed more times than I can count, and my scars have scars. But when the tires are crunching into the dirt and the trees are flashing by, something weird happens. Instead of feeling anxious or out of control, like I'm hanging on for dear life, time slows down and I disappear. And no, I don't mean literally disappear like I'm an invisible man, but I am no longer conscious of the fact that I'm a teacher with papers to grade and meetings to attend. I don't think about any of the bills I need to pay, or the sink full of dishes I need to wash, or my dogs who, believe me, I need to bathe. All of the worries and anxieties of the world melt away. My bike and I become one body in motion, kinetic energy perpetually experiencing the moment of expression. In the mountain bike world, we call this flow. For me, this flow is pure existential bliss. Now, to help us all get to know you, the person behind the screen name, I want you to describe your happy place or activity. You might talk about your favorite hobbies, or places you like to visit, or people you like to be around. I am really just interested in what makes you, well, you. What makes you feel most alive and why. You can upload a short 2 to 3 minute video like I just did, or if you're shy, you can reply by typing. But if you reply by typing, please upload at least 2 pictures about your happy place. I mean, we all want to see it too. Once you have uploaded your response, surf through the responses of your classmates and chime in to 2 or 3 more. I mean, if you have the time, chat with everyone. You can make a comment, you can ask a question. Just remember that we are all people sharing a real part of our lives. So practice proper etiquette. Be polite and respectful. And if you see someone without a reply, be cool and say hi. You never know. I'm just saying. Anyway, I can't hear about what you have to say. Oh, P.S. If you need instructions about uploading videos or photos, check the box below the video. If you have any issues, I am only a click away. Bye.